It is possible to cancel your Lazada order after payment if the seller hasn't shipped it yet. Here's how you can cancel and get a refund. You can only cancel if the order has not been shipped. So once the order status is packed or shipped, you will need to request a return or refund instead. Refunds for prepared orders go back to your original payment method within a few business days. So in order to cancel through app or website, you need to go ahead, open your Lazada app or a website and log into your account. Then go to My Orders option, select the item or the order that you want to cancel. Then you need to go ahead and check the order status. If it says pending or processing, you can cancel. If it says packed or shipped, you can't cancel. So click on cancel and choose the reason, confirm the cancellation, and you'll get a notification when it's done. For the refund process, you can use Laz Wallet, credit card, debit card, online banking, from where refunds take up to 2 to 14 business days. And for cash on delivery, COD, no refund is needed because you haven't paid. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.